Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add Suica to Samsung Wallet. Alright, let's begin. You cannot normally add a Suica card to Samsung Wallet unless your Samsung phone was purchased in Japan. This is because of hardware limitations with the NFC chip and the need for specific Japanese software support. For users outside Japan, the best alternative is to use a physical Suica card or an iPhone with Apple Pay. However, if your Samsung phone was bought in Japan, you can add the Suica card directly. Open the Samsung Wallet app, tap the plus icon, and select Transit Cards. From there, choose Suica and enter the required information. After completing the setup, your Suica card will be added to Samsung Wallet and ready for use. So that's basically how you can add Suica to Samsung Wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.